Have you ever wondered about the fundamental laws that govern the universe? The ancient wisdom of Hermetic philosophy posits that there are 7 such principles. Today, we delve into these profound ideas, starting with the principle of mentalism. The principle of mentalism encapsulates the concept that the all is mind, the universe is mental. This principle suggests that everything that exists, seen and unseen, originates from thought or mind. It's the idea that reality is not separate from the mind, but rather is a mental construct. This principle challenges us to consider the power of our thoughts and how they shape our lives. Next, we have the principle of correspondence. As above, so below. As below, so above. This principle asserts that there is a harmony, agreement, and correspondence between the several planes of existence. It implies a universal order or pattern that is present in all levels of reality, from the smallest atom to the vast cosmos. The third principle is the principle of vibration. Nothing rests, everything moves, everything vibrates. This principle explains that motion is a universal law. Everything in existence, at its most fundamental level, is in a state of constant movement, constantly vibrating. The fourth Hermetic principle is the principle of polarity. Everything is dual, everything has poles, everything has its pair of opposites. This principle expresses that all manifested things have 2 sides, 2 aspects, or 2 poles. It's the principle of duality, where opposites are just different degrees of the same thing. The fifth Hermetic principle is the principle of rhythm. Everything flows out and in, everything has its tides, all things rise and fall. This principle states that there is a rhythm to everything in existence, an ebb and flow, a cycle and pattern to everything, including our lives. The sixth Hermetic principle is the principle of cause and effect. Every cause has its effect. Every effect has its cause. This principle is about causality, suggesting that nothing happens by chance, that there is a reason for every event and experience. Finally, the seventh Hermetic principle, the principle of gender. Gender is in everything. Everything has its masculine and feminine principles. This principle teaches that gender exists on all planes of existence, and that it is not limited to the physical plane. In summary, the Hermetic principles are a set of universal laws that govern everything in existence. They challenge us to consider our thoughts, our actions, and our place in the universe. They invite us to see the harmonious patterns in all things, the constant vibration of existence, the duality in all things, the rhythm of life, the cause and effect in our experiences, and the gender in all planes of existence. Understanding these principles allows us to navigate life with more wisdom and insight.